Okay, so hello everyone. Today we're going to make an unboxing video. Inside this package are supposed to be 4 items, all from Makita: an angle grinder, a drill, a planer, and a circular saw. My friend bought this from Lazada Mall. I do believe he paid for 15,800 all in all, inclusive of shipping. So he requested if I can do this unboxing for him because apparently he values my opinion and wants to know if whether or not he's got a legit item. So I would like to thank my friend for that, for his trust on this matter. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay. Makita. Okay, so we've got an angle grinder, we've got the planer, and we've got the Makita hammer drill, and last but not least, the circular saw 5806B. Okay, so let's take a look at each one by one. Okay, so let's unbox this angle grinder, model 9556HN, 100mm, 4 inches. Let's take a look at what's inside. And we've got a manual and a warranty card. Okay, let's set this aside. Here we've got a grinding stone, okay, a dust cover, okay, show you a better look. The angle grinder itself and a handle. Okay, we've got threaded holes on each side depending upon your needs. You can, hold on, sorry about that, place the handle on each side. And inside the box we've got a wrench. So anyway, that's a pretty nice box actually. Okay, so let's take some measurements. Let's measure the weight of this angle grinder. Hold on. How about here? Let's see. Let's just measure the angle grinder without the weight of the cord. And it's more or less, that's pounds, 3.6 pounds. Let's change unit to kilogram. 1.6 kilogram. Let's measure the cord. This is 1 meter. 1 meter, and this is already 2 meters, and I would say about, hold on, 1 meter, 2 meters and a half. That's actually considerably long cord, actually very nice. Okay, so I'll show you a closer look of the angle grinder itself. It's actually very well made. The finish is nice, okay, even the cord insulator is nice. So now let me turn this on, but before that, let's take a base temperature of the angle grinder. Here it's 29 on the head, it's 29.2, 29.6 on the body. Okay, so I've already plugged the angle grinder, and what we are looking for, aiming for this test, is that should we turn this on, and I'm going to let it run for 5 minutes and measure the temperature again after 5 minutes, and we do not want to see a considerable increase of heat. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. Actually, that's very nice, no vibration at all. See, perfectly balanced. Although I do not suggest that you do this, okay, without, but I'll just show you it's perfectly balanced. So I'm going to let this run for 5 minutes. Very nice. Meaning the armature is perfectly balanced inside. Okay, so it has been more than 5 minutes now. Let's check the temperature. Before it was 29, now it's 32 degrees Celsius on the head. It's 31. That's actually very nice. Not actually considerable heat. It's got good ventilation. It sucks air here. Pushes the air out here. Actually very nice. Again, perfectly balanced. Okay, so now I have here my old Makita, which I bought this back in 2009, I do believe, and I'm sure this is original because I bought this from Makita itself. And let's compare the two, and right away you can see the new one has a Makita marking here. Okay, it's almost identical. Same here, same here. Here it doesn't say where it was made. Here it says made in Thailand. Okay, but all in all, the finish is more or less the same. Okay, let me turn this on. And let me turn this on. So just out of curiosity, let's take a look at the armature inside, okay? Let me first open my old Makita angle grinder, model 9556NB. This is just so we can reach the armature when the carbon brush when we install the armature back, okay? Okay, pull this out. Okay, so before I pull the armature out, let me first release the tension of the spring that push the armature down. That way we can pull the armature out easily. Just put it to the side like that. See, now the armature it's no longer in tension. Can pull it out. So let's do the same for this thing. Same procedure. Pull it out. Release the tension. The spring. Let's put this to the side. Let's take out the head. Okay, so pull the head off. Okay, so let's pull the armature out and let's compare. And they are more or less the same. See? Let me show you a better look. The fins are, I would say, made of aluminum here as well. Okay, so let me put this back. First, make sure we pull the armature, the carbon brush slightly outwards. That will enable us to insert the armature with no problem. Okay, and that's it. Release the spring. As well. Okay, put the head back on, and I want to show you a trick. Okay, whenever you're screw on plastic, okay, because this screw is going to screw on this plastic, it's a good idea to do it in reverse first. That way when you feel the tooth of this screw fall down on the thread that is already on this plastic, that's the time you're going to lock it down. You see that? I'll show you that here, okay? You'll feel it sort of falling into its thread. See? That way you're not creating new threads on the plastic. You're not going to ruin the thread that's already on here, okay? Do that. See? Okay? And here as well. See? Now that's a neat trick. That way you would save ruining the thread on this plastic, okay? And when tightening it down, just make sure to apply enough force, okay? Remember, this is just plastic. You overdo it, you're going to ruin the thread. By the way, before I forget, this is an M10 by 1.5 thread, okay? Let's actually try to test that. M10 by 1.5. Let's test the locking mechanism, if it's smooth. Okay, and actually it is very nice. So I might as well show you as well. This is the wrench for the new Makita angle grinder. This is mine, 2009, more than a decade ago. They've got both 782 4207. Okay, so it's all assembled now. Let's turn it on. This one. Perfectly balanced. So anyway, I do believe the question that most of you wants to ask is this original? If this is legit, I do believe it is. Now, I'm not saying that I'm a professional, okay, or I'm an expert, anything like that, but comparing it with this one, looking at the overall finish, the plastic, how it performs, like I've said, the overall finish, there's no reason for me to believe that this is a fake item, okay? Including the cord, it's all nice. Even the box, you see, they took a great deal of effort just making these crevices just so they can package the item nicely. Now, as far as I'm concerned, okay, again, as far as I'm concerned, there's no reason for me to believe that this is a fake item. I do believe this is original. My friend bought this at Lazada Mall for, I do believe, 2,674 pesos, something like that. So anyway, I do believe that's it. I would just like to remind everyone, this is not an advertisement for Makita nor Lazada Mall for that matter, okay? This is just purely an unboxing video, unbiased. This Makita was bought by my friend. He just asked me to do this, and I was also glad to oblige. So I hope you like this video. Maybe you find it helpful. Like, share, subscribe if you want to, only if you want to, and as always, thank you for watching.